Today I'm going to be talking about unpopular opinions while I read your unpopular opinions, and I'm going to do a Valentine's Day makeup look. I don't want to do something like Trix Yogurt Valentine's Day look. This is not going to be like a makeup that you would wear on a date unless you are adventurous like me, because I absolutely would. I did my brows and my foundation. My primer is this Revolution Ceramide Protect Skin Barrier Protecting Primer. This is brand new. I wanted to try it. I'm also wearing the one size turn up the base. I'll put everything on my mixing palette. I'm going to use this P. Louise Acid Rain Ibiza by Mitchell, and then the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright Barbie Pink base. What are your plans for Valentine's Day? I personally really wanted to stay in with my boyfriend. I did not want to be bothered with like the wait time. Just wanted to enjoy each other's company and just truly show each other how much we love each other. He does that every day, and so do I. Like, he knows I'm head over heels for him. Just wanna like keep it low key, get some takeout, maybe show him a little something in private. I think that it'll be a good time. Unpopular opinion, I personally feel that shaved hair on like one side, it just is not flattering no matter who you are. I would like to asterisk this by saying the only person I personally feel in this entire world that can pull off half shaved hair is Rihanna. But even then, I feel like I prefer Rihanna and other styles. Can't be the only one who thinks this. I really don't like Karol G's blue, green, or red hair. It gets old very quick. I just feel that is like a Karol G staple. Like, you will know that that is Karol G from a mile away. I think that that's just what made her career. Similarly to how Lady Gaga had her signature bow, and how Rihanna had her like shut up and drive hair. I just think it's the era that will help differentiate her and make her more of a pop star. I feel like every pop star has their look, especially Katy Perry with the blue hair and the whipped cream coming out of her boobies. I also included a white base paint from Beauty Creations. Someone said that flare jeans are ugly. I personally think that flare jeans are perfect for really tall, long-legged people. Whereas me, I'm a little shorter. I have a very thick thighs. So for me, flare jeans just kind of look like stuffed sausages. I feel like it makes me look even more frumpy unless I'm wearing like really tall heels. Someone said people with gauges gross me out. And let me just tell you something. I'm not going to judge anyone for having ear piercings or anything like that. Let's just put it into perspective. Almost every person that I've ever met that has gauges or those giant piercings say that when they take them out, they always smell. Everyone is different, but I just feel like I could not live my life like that. White eyeshadow from this ColourPop eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I love this eyeshadow palette. This is a very inspirational eyeshadow palette. It just makes me want to slap so much color on my face. Beyonce is overrated. Everyone has their own specific pop star that they prefer. For me, the pop star that I'm like, I don't really understand her hype is Dua Lipa. I don't really see the pizzazz in Dua Lipa. Some people really get on the case of like Selena Gomez. They don't see what's so different about Selena Gomez. I just think everyone has their preferred pop star. I'm using this pigment. Oh, that's so pretty. It reflects blue. I thought it was gonna be more pink. Someone said that their unpopular opinion is, I don't think that there should be a talking phase with a guy. I think that that is just some of the trials you have to go through as you're single in order to get someone that is really worth your while. And that lesson is not easy for everyone to learn. I'm going with this Sugar Pill eyeshadow palette. I kind of want to give like that graffiti kind of effect. So I'm just gonna like outline the hearts in this first and then go over with the Suva liner. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, I cannot remember the last time that I was drawing actual things on my eye. Candy corn slaps. Yo, I'm addicted to candy corn. I will always fuck up some candy corn. Okay, now I have to like actually show you what I'm doing. Going with the Suva liner, do a little heart, Morphe M250. Ooh, that sounds pretty good. That's the eye so far. I have to do the other eye, but it looks so cute. Someone said I don't trust men who shave their armpits. That is so specific. I feel like I've known several men throughout my life that have shaved their armpits. You will never build a happy home off of another woman's tears. I don't think that that's an unpopular opinion. I just think that if you truly believe that you're going to date the person who cheated on another woman for like to be with you, and you don't think that they're going to do that again to you, you're dumb. The laminated brow look isn't cute. For some people, I think that the laminated look looks really pretty if you just have naturally like bushy brows. Gonna do my eyeliner real quick. Scoop. Using a gel. I haven't used a gel eyeliner in forever. I'm gonna do the other. I hate when people say bae or babe. I agree with that. That's one of my unpopular opinions that went viral on TikTok because I absolutely agree. Because when I hear babe, I think of babe. Using the Milk Rise Mascara, girl, it's kind of good. Oh my god, finally the eye look is done. Jesus, I feel so cute in this. Someone said the elf on the shelf is traumatizing and creepy. Oh my god, I think the elf on the shelf is so cute. People are so fucking funny. I hate how people hate on Hawaiian on pizza. I think Hawaiian on pizza is so fucking good. I just used the elf hydrating camo concealer, by the way. Using the Catrice Shape and Define in the shade Deep. I just really want like a nice chiseled look today. So pretty. There should be laws and rules or guidelines regulating who can have kids and how many. I don't know why I just thought about Nick Cannon at this point. I just like feel like there is no need to have that many kids. Like we're already pushing towards 8 billion. If we haven't already hit 8 billion as a population, I'm pretty sure we're like going towards it. I feel like three is it, maybe even 4, but after that, no. Someone also said, I think an eye for big crime would change the world. Oh my god, I don't know if that actually would work. When I think about it, the R words all got the same treatment. I feel like they wouldn't do it. I also think that an unpopular opinion of mine is that I genuinely think the world would be a different place if women were in power. And I think that a lot of people are at absolute denial when they disagree with that. If women in some point in history just overruled men, I just feel like our future in a society, like we would have flying cars by now, I swear. I have to put some of this color black blush. It's in the shade Sweetheart. Get in there. Gender reveal parties are a weird and waste of money. I kind of agree. I'm just gonna mix a little bit of this NARS. Oh no, wait, no. This was from Holiday and it's just so beautiful. So crazy because the camera literally does not pick up how like pigmented this is right now. It's Revolution Ceramide Fix Skin Protect Fixing Spray. I hate soda. I can't drink decarbonation. When I was little, I couldn't drink soda at all. I waited until the fizz calmed down and then I would swallow it. So it was like pure syrup. Being friends with other girls is hard. I relate to this. I know I'm a very good friend and I also know that I have my faults. A friend will do something to me. I'll be like, okay, it's fine. In my past, I would make a mistake and I would just be thrown to the curb and not be forgiven in the same way that I would forgive someone. I understand. Someone said being toxic isn't cute. I feel like once you see it, like you see it. Being toxic is not cute. I feel that is cyclical karma just waiting for you to just arrive. If I had stayed toxic and not try to grow when I met my boyfriend and I would have not texted him back, not done anything with him, I would have never had a relationship with him. I tell him that all the time. I'm like, I could have very well played the game with you, but I chose to be myself. Completely myself around you. My lip pencil, the Lancome 254 Ideal. Ooh, this is waterproof. And then I'm pairing it with MAC Faux. So cute. I'm gonna put this essence. Ooh, I think I was more involved in the tutorial today than the unpopular opinions. A man needs to have 2 out of the 3 to be dateable: looks, money, or personality. It's true, because if you got the looks and money, no personality. Personality and money, you don't got the look. The looks and the personality, you ain't got no money. It's so funny. I didn't even think about it. People who follow society beauty standards are those who feel the ugliest inside. I think that's up for debate. I think that people get cosmetic surgery all the time, and I think it's so normal because like I've thought about getting things done. Am I gonna do it? No, but I mean, I think I'm beautiful. I want a little bit more blush. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place pink blush. I don't know, right there. Put some right there. Having multiple baby daddies is puta behavior. I think, so yeah. But I know life has different cards. I do know that life has different cards for some people. Girl, I know you're gonna be happy with your kids, but it is puta behavior. If it were me, I would only want to have children with one person, and then I think I would get my tubes tied. Just wanted to show you guys an up close look at the makeup. I think I killed it. I think we did. You guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys had fun talking with me, talking about all the unpopular opinions. And I'm sorry that this was so tutorial focused, but I think I executed this exactly the way I envisioned it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day, guys.